In this Autodesk Maya tutorial, we're going to export this photogrammetry scan of a street scene as a universal scene description for import into Unreal Engine so we can use it as a background in virtual production. The first thing to do before exporting things from Maya for virtual production as a USD, universal scene description, is to make sure that you generally have okay scales. Here I have a door of this building, and then I modeled a door that's just approximately the same size, and then I got it close to real size. That's important because otherwise you'll spend time in Unreal changing the scale. So now that I have that at its real size, I can click this mesh, and you notice that the scale is really big and the translation is off. I kind of want this to be centered, so I can delete history and freeze transformations, put everything back to normal. That way this will come into Unreal Engine okay. Once that is the right size and I have it positioned where I want to in the origin, I'm ready to export it as a universal scene description. So go to File, Export All, unless you want to just export the selection. Click this little box. Then instead of exporting it as a Maya binary file, we want to select USD Export. We don't want to use Arnold shaders because we're going to be using physical base rendering in Unreal Engine. So we want to export it like this. The binary format will be a smaller file size, but the ASCII format does have human readable things inside it. Then we can decide what type of geometry we want to export. If we need any skeletons, such as if you have animations and things like that, make sure you click animation data. And then if you have cameras and lights, if you're bringing those in. Once you do that, you'll click Export All. Then you can decide where you're going to export it. By default, if you have your Maya project set up properly, it will default to exporting it as scenes, which is a perfectly fine place. We can call it USD Scene Export. Then I export all. Hopefully you're able to export a scene from Maya as a universal scene description. Happy 3D modeling.